My main objective of my research is to understand the workforce diversity compositions in the industry, manufacturing industry, as well as what is the impact of advanced technology to attract more women and the younger employees in this industry. My research findings directly impact for organization labor shortages, because currently they feel that having a labor shortage, but data says that 3 million Australians are underemployed or searching for jobs. But the problem is their skill set is not tally with the industry requirements. So with my findings, the organization are getting benefit to be how they can attract these underrepresented groups which are just looking for the jobs. Most of the organizations, they have failed their diversity strategies because they feel that it's HR responsibility. But when it comes to the managerial level as a business challenge, so technology can do much more to be attract young people, young employees, as well as the women employees who are underrepresented on this industry. I had a placement with InfraBuild, and I was privileged to go through all their processes to understand that what really their processes are going to be and how it works and what are the challenges they have. At the same time, I extended my research with the workers as well. So I got their insights and different groups, women groups, and the different age groups, people above 35 and under 35, the young. So all these groups, more than 65, 70 employees, I got into my different focus groups, and they have they expose their current problems, challenges, and the futuristic challenges as well for getting the technology and the diversity for the organization.